Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the multi-timeframe Aroon indicator in the TradingView Pine script. The Aroon indicator is a range-bound, technical indicator that produces numbers between 0 and 100. The technical analyst should focus on 3 areas on that scale. Close to or at 100 indicates a stronger trend. Close to or at 0 indicates a weaker trend. The area right around 50 is a middle ground and the trend could go either way. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with name, multi-timeframe Aroon. First, we take the user input for the higher timeframe. The default value is set to the daily timeframe. Then we take the user input for the length of the indicator. Then we find the upper and lower lines of the Aroon indicator. Then we find the higher timeframe upper and lower lines of the indicator. For this, we use the security function. The first argument of this function is the current stock name. The second argument is the higher timeframe. The third argument is the data to be fetched from the higher timeframe. Bracket 1 written in front of the data avoids the indicator repainting issue. The fourth and fifth arguments handle the gaps and bar merge. And finally, we plot these 2 lines. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, right now we are on the 15 minutes chart, but we are seeing the data from the daily timeframe. When the green Aroon line is near 100%, the trend is bullish. And when the red Aroon line is near 100%, the trend is bearish. So that's it. That's how you can implement the multi-timeframe Aroon indicator in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.